Konnichiwa minasan, Nihongo no gakusei desu. In this lesson, we will learn how to count people using this kanji nin. In English, it is easy to count people. We just say 5 friends, 20 students, 2 teachers, 8 people, 4 family members. Okay, we just add the numbers to the description of those persons. Friends, teachers, students, people, family members, customers, etc. For instance, if we are going to translate this literally, the 5 friends in Japanese, we will have Nihon ni go tomodachi ga imasu. Nihon ni go tomodachi ga imasu. Which is, of course, this is not correct. Okay? In order to count people, we use the counter nin for people. This is the kanji, and this is taught in the basic kanji lessons. The kanji for people. Now, counters are what we call words used along with numbers to count objects and events. In English, we have plenty of examples. One piece of, one sheet of, one slice of, one bundle of, one bowl of. We do not say one bowl of water. Instead, we say one bowl of soup. Okay? Or one slice of paper. We do not say that. We say one slice of pizza. Something like that. That is how counter works in Japanese also. So here, to make this correct, we say Nihon ni tomodachi ga 5人 imasu. This is the correct sentence. Nihon ni tomodachi ga 5人 imasu. So here we have the counting of people. This is how we pronounce the counting for people, starting from one person, hitori, hitori. 2 persons, futari. 3 persons, sannin. 4 persons, yonin. 5 persons, gonin. 6 persons, rokunin. 7 persons, shichinin or nananin. 8 persons, hachinin. 9 persons, kyunin. 10 persons, junin. Okay? So as you can see, the most peculiar of the 10 are the first one, hitori and futari. And then for yonin, we do not say yon, we say yo, yonin, yonin. So remember, hitori, futari, and yonin. Now for 11 and above, we use the normal counting for numbers. Like the juichi ni, juichi san, juichi yon, etc. Juichi nin, 11 people. Juichi nin. Juni nin, 12 people. Nijusan nin, 23 people. Rokujugo nin, 65 people. Sambyaku nin, 300 people, and so on. Now here we have again, I have 5 friends in Japan. Nihon ni tomodachi ga 5人 imasu. Now we can change that. Let's say I have a friend in Japan. Nihon ni tomodachi ga 1人 imasu. Now we use hitori for one people or one person. Nihon ni tomodachi ga 2人 imasu. Nihon ni tomodachi ga 2人 imasu. I have 2 friends in Japan. Nihon ni tomodachi ga 30人 imasu. Nihon ni tomodachi ga 30人 imasu. I have 30 friends in Japan, and so on and so forth. Now this is the equation we want to formulate sentences using the counter for people. So here we have some notes to remember. Put the person counter, e.g. sannin, after the particle ga. Now, there is no particle after the nin counter or the person counter. Okay? As you can see, there are no particle between nin and imas. And then always remember to use imas, not aru. Okay? Imas for living creatures. Aru is reserved for non-living things. Alright, here, what if we want to say the words people or persons only? 5 people, 5 persons. So we say, koko ni wa hito ga 5 nin imasu. Koko ni wa hito ga 5 nin imasu. As you can see here, we have written the kanji for persons 2 times. In this case, we can choose to remove the hitoga, and then just put gonin imas like this. Both are acceptable. We can remove hitoga because we already know that we are talking about people or persons without describing who they are. Okay? But it is different when we say there are 5 students, 5 foreigners, and so on. 私たちのクラスにはインドネシア人の学生が一人います。私たちのクラスにはインドネシア人の学生が一人います。As you can see here, the person is the Indonesia jin no gakusei. Okay? So here, we say there's only one Indonesian student. So we use hitori for one or an Indonesian. In English, we say there is one Indonesian student in our class or there's an Indonesian student in our class. Watashi no kazoku wa 4人います。私の家族は4人います。There are 4 family members in our family. As you can see here, if we translate this literally, there are 4 people in our family. But of course, if we translate it in English, we call those people family members. 私の家族は4人います。公園では子供たちが10人遊んでいます。公園では子供たちが10人遊んでいます。There are 10 children playing in the park. 10人. And the persons are the children. 子供たち. And here we do not use imas. Instead, we use asondeimasu because they are playing. So here, there is an action verb. Playing. Asondeimasu. 公園では子供たちが10人遊んでいます。部屋の中には学生が26人います。部屋の中には学生が26人います。There are 26 students inside the room. So, 26人. 26 people. And then the persons are 学生。学生が26人います。Now, what if I want to ask how many are the people there are? So, we say, 何人いますか? 何人いますか? Or, 何人いるんですか? If you want to get an answer, 何人いるんですか? But we stick with the first one. 何人いますか? 何人いますか? And again, remember to use imas. Okay? Remember to use imas, not aru or arimas. For our first example, 学生が何人いますか? 学生が何人いますか? 男の人が何人いますか? 男の人が何人いますか? 日本人が何人いますか? 日本人が何人いますか? So these are the answers to the questions, my answers. So how many students are there? Gakusei ga nannin imasu ka? Then I say, gakusei ga 10人います. Gakusei ga 10人います. Here we can omit gakusei ga and just say 10人います, 10 students. It's the same with the other answers. Otoko no hito ga 何人いますか? Otoko no hito ga 3人います or 3人います will do. 日本人が何人いますか? 日本人が6人います。日本人が6人います。There are 6 Japanese or 6人います. 6 Japanese. As you can see here, what we did was to remove the kanji nani, kanji for nani, and replace it with the number 10, 10nin. And then we remove ka, the question particle ka. Okay? That is what we did with the second example. Nannin imasu ka? 3人. And the same with the third example. Nannin imasu ka? 6人います. Change the kanji for nani and then remove ka. Okay? Alright, we're going to have an exercise. There are questions here. How many people? For example, in this one, Nihonjin ga nanni imasu ka? Nihonjin ga nanni imasu ka? How many Japanese persons are there? So the answer is 4人います. 4人います. 4 persons. There are 4 persons there. Okay? Answer this. You can pause the video and try to formulate the answers, or you may continue watching. Okay. So for the first question, how many men are there, or how many male are there? Otoko no hito ga nannin imasu ka? Otoko no hito ga nannin imasu ka? Now let us count. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4人います. 4人います. Next. 女の人が何人いますか? 女の人が何人いますか? How many women are there? Let's count. 1, 2. So there are 2 women there. So we say for 2 women, 2人います. 2人います. 2 persons. There are 2 persons. And lastly, アメリカ人が何人いますか? アメリカ人が何人いますか? How many Americans are there? So here, based on their eyes, there are 2. So we say again, 2人います. 2人います. 2 persons. Okay? Okay, I wanna thank you all for watching. If you have some questions or comments, please comment down below. And if you find my videos and my channel useful, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos of the Japanese grammar and the Japanese vocabulary in the near future. 見てくれてありがとう。また会いましょう。